following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from San Antonio, Texas, weighing 225 pounds, the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels.
Many consider this man, Shawn Michaels, to be the greatest competitor to ever lace a pair of boots.
Well, that's right, Cole. We have a sold-out crowd here tonight, and many of these people you have to think came specifically to see HBK in action. There's the bell, and here we go.
Just trying to goad his opponent into making a mistake here.
Back into the ring now. If I were to give advice to someone who's going up against Shawn Michaels, I'd tell him to try as best as you can to keep him grounded. Keep him on the mat. Keep him off his feet. And whatever you do, stay away from that sweet chin music. Reversal.
Triple H going for it.
Did you see that, Cole? Talk about getting your spine adjusted. Jeez.
And he does it one more time. A little showboating going on here.
No, not again.
Triple H showing tremendous focus and determination here.
Michael, let's talk about a big if. If you can keep Shawn Michaels grounded, and if you can stay away from sweet chin music. Yes, an opponent has a chance. Not a good one, but a chance nonetheless. No, not again.
Trying to get under his opponent's skin with this one. And he reversed it.
Good move there. What a reversal.
Triple H looking to finish.
Triple H, what a maneuver. Oh, he's in trouble now. Look at this. Move definitely sends a message.
Triple H makes the cover. In the ropes, and that may have been the only escape. Shoulder